Hey guys, Jacob Coyle here with MarineMax Clearwater. We are on a 2022 Aquila 54. This is a MarineMax owned trade-in boat at our Clearwater office. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough of it. First off, we're gonna start in the aft. You've got a platform here, plenty enough big for your tender. That platform does go down to the water line to make this whole area a beach mode. As you come up this way, you also have this great seating area, awesome outdoor dining spot. This boat does have a custom aft table here. Looks very, very sharp, matches the rest of the attire. We're gonna go walk through the sides up to the bow of the boat right now, and we will come back and talk about that later. As you come up here, notice the handrails as you walk through. Notice how wide the walkway is to the bow. This makes the access very, very simple to go from the stern of the boat to the bow of the boat. As you get up here, notice all the space you have. Plenty of room for seating if you want to be underway, or if you're at anchor, you've got storage compartments, one on the starboard side, one on the port side, the nice safety rail. You've got the seat right there on both sides. Plenty of space up here if you want to entertain, if you want to lounge out, or you just want to get away. As we go up, this is true Aquila DNA, direct Flybridge access from the bow of the boat. Notice you've got great handrails, and you've got two here, one on either side, that takes you up to the Flybridge. We're going to head over to the starboard side so we can go in. Notice this boat does have the fully enclosed pilot house enclosure. As you step inside, this boat gives you 3 captain's chairs, as well as your dual screen electronics. You've got your thruster, autopilot, everything you could need to go on a long trip or to just go out for the day, you've got right here. As you look around here too, you've got this nice seating area. You do have the folding table on each side, which enables you to have it out if you want some dinner, or if you just want it to be more cocktail style, this is the way to do it. This particular boat, if you notice, they do have shades installed throughout to help with the sunlight and help with the UVs. As you come out to the back, look at all the space you have here. Plenty of room for whatever you'd like. You do have an outdoor kitchen area. This particular boat has something cool that the clients did. Custom beverage fridges. Anything you could want, fridge, sodas, you name it, all right there. Plenty of space up here for entertaining, whether you're catering, things like that. Plenty of space here. You got your sink here as well, and also you got a little bit of storage in there. Great layout on the Aquila 54. We're gonna take a walk now and go back down to the side. Let's walk down in. Again, as you're walking around the boat, there are handrails everywhere. You've got grips everywhere. So if you are moving, when it is a little rough out, no worries, you've got stability where it's needed. Familiar place, we were here earlier. You've got the open bar that gets you right into your galley area. 2 bar stools, creates a whole wide open space here. Great for entertaining, great for socializing. It's just a nice extension into the galley area. As you come in, you'll notice you got your full-size fridge with your freezer. This particular boat is equipped with a dishwasher on it. And then obviously you've got your Kenyan cooktop, plenty of countertop space. This one's got some nice wood inserts here for the sink. And then you got plenty of storage in here. As you come a little bit forward, notice all the seating space. You can easily fit 6 to 8 people here for entertaining, for dining. You also have this nice lounger over here that can fit 3 to 4 people. Absolutely no problems. Plenty of visibility, beautiful space. Obviously, you've got the big TV here, so if you did want to watch a game or something, you can get all your shows here. As you come down into the master, again, notice how big, spacious it is. This is what you see on most of the Aquila 54s. Starboard side, you're going to have your shower. You're also going to have your head over there. On the port side, that's where you're going to have your master closet. This particular Aquila 54 has a very unique and highly sought after layout. It has 3 staterooms, 3 full bath. When you do that, in the master, you not only get this closet right in here, but you also get this one. So this is a great owner-operator boat, plenty of space. As you come back out here, and notice the transition when you walk from the master into the salon. 2 small steps, not a big deal, very simple to go back and forth. Here's the unique thing about this particular boat. You've got a VIP stateroom on your starboard side. You've got the same one on your port. So what happens is when you come down in here, this is what you would call your true VIP. Plenty of space, very big. TVs that pop out of the ceiling, plenty of storage, nice room to get around the beds, nice little area if you need to get some work done. And you also have, obviously, the head right there. Nice walk-in shower. What's great about this, as you go back up the stairs to the other side, it's almost identical. Because this boat is a true 3 stateroom, 3 head, and you do not have the crew quarter in the back, it enables this guest stateroom to be very spacious. So as you come in here, as you can see, plenty of space here. Get a nice little area here if you want to hang or if you want to get some work done. And then same on that side, nice head with a walk-in shower. And again, as you come up, nice handrails, the transition up, plenty of support to get you back to where you're going. This is the 2022 Aquila 54 trade-in at MarineMax Clearwater. Give us a call if you want to come see it.